We are here to introduce you to a new board game. This is the board game of Crimps. Once you open the game, you will find the luminescent clockwork branches, a bag containing all the playing pieces, and a booklet that will guide you through your gameplay. The chest is sanded down to perfection. It's so smooth. The winds slide into the balls perfectly, which in turn slot into the seabed. After setting the board, the grail is inserted, locking the game and activating the mechanism inside. The seas are navigated by vessels that may board others, be sunk, and even circumnavigate, just as if it were a whole world by itself. This is the result of deep research, a long process of designing, reviewing, writing reams of formulas and divine intervention. It has evolved from watercoloured fold-out versions and laser-cut plywood. All the components of the game are 3D printed in wood filament. This means that it is made from wood particles and is bound with a polymer, giving it a quality similar to MDF. You can smell the sweet scent of wood as it is printed. The nozzle temperature is adjusted to vary the grain, which make the creation a long process. We wish with your help to reduce the time and make it more affordable. However, we enjoy this process thoroughly. The objects are deburred with scalpel precision and are meticulously sanded until they are driftwood to the touch. The direction of the winds affects the route of the vessels. The game embraces the full potential of three-dimensional form. The pieces slot into place and fall into negative space where clockwork branches swivel.
It has been a few years since the game was conceived. It has shifted through many forms, finally culminating in this you see now. The work itself is not only a board game, but a sculpture in its own rights.
A week is spent crafting, combining ancient techniques and state-of-the-art machinery. Hello, I'm Ben Reeder.
This project is growing, and therefore we need your supports.
Good smile.
Board game is the nucleus of an expansive project which is underway.
The nucleus?
I can't say it!
Nucleus.
Nucleus!
Nucleus.
That is not correct! This board game is at the center of an expansive project which is underway. And only with your help we can complete it. We wish to attract more designers to push the game mechanics into its digital form.
Hello, my name is Alan Kennedy.
Hello, my name is Alan Cannerly.
No, your name is not that. What's your real name?
Hi, my name is Anna Kennerly.
Help flourish the tree. Help flourish the tree. Help flourish the tree.